Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to easily bulk download and install Mac apps. If you just purchased a Mac, or even if you want to bulk download apps on your existing Mac, there is a quick way to bulk download and install most popular apps. To do this, go to Macaw's link. Please click on the link at the description section below. Next, click on the apps you want to install from this page. Make sure you scroll down as there are several apps. When you are done, go to the top of the page and click on Install Apps. You will see a new window popping. All you have to do is to copy the link and paste it on terminal. Make sure you copy the entire link from beginning to end, as it might be a very long link. On terminal, just paste and hit return. You will see that all the selected apps will get downloaded and installed automatically. It's that simple. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.